Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making super easy Balochi chicken curry. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Toss in 2 chopped onion and fry until they turn translucent. Once done, add 750 gram of chicken and cook until it change color. Once the chicken is ready, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 and quarter teaspoon of salt, 4 green chilies, mix everything well and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 and half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything well, then add half teaspoon of kasuri methi. Cook the chicken with these spices for another 2 minutes. Next add 4 chopped tomatoes, mix and cover the pan. Let it cook until the tomatoes are soft. Once the tomatoes are soft, mix everything well, add 1 cup of yogurt and mix well. Then pour 1 cup of water, stir and cover again, cook until the chicken is fully done. Once the chicken is done, sprinkle half teaspoon of garam masala powder, mix well, then add 1 tablespoon of butter, cover and let it simmer, and there you have it, delicious Balochi chicken curry. Enjoy this curry with roti and naan. Hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking.